What influencer marketing strategy should you be using? That's probably a question that's been thrown around a few times in your meetings lately. The answer to that question is rather simple. 6. Bryn here, just finished a nice fresh Diet Coke. We're diving right into Influencer Marketing 101. There are 6 proven influencer marketing strategies that brands are using today to drive awareness, grow their followers, and bolster their sales. These 6 influencer strategies can take your brand from another blip on the For You page to top trending if you give them a try. Let's get right into it. Here are the 6 influencer marketing strategies you need to try out. Sponsored content is simple. Unlike posting content from the brand side where the followers are already committed, sponsored content allows you to reach a new group of fans whose interests align with yours without coming off as insincere, out of place, or forced. Influencers have earned the respect, trust, and rapport of their communities. When they talk, people listen, and when they act, people respond. Think about it. You're probably following someone on TikTok or Instagram who's talked about a product they love, making you a follower of sponsored content. Scale that idea across an influencer's entire audience of thousands, even millions, and that's a pretty massive network of new, loyal fans. Did I mention the data that supports this? It shows that marketers who work with a trusted publisher, i.e. influencer, see a 50% brand lift than marketers who produce their own content. 50%. That's pretty convincing if you ask me. We're done with the mediocre giveaways and the corny contests that leave you empty-handed and your email inbox stuffed with annoying promotional messages. There's nothing I hate more than watching that little number next to your spam folder get bigger and bigger and bigger. Nonetheless, there is a way to run successful giveaways and contests without your influencers feeling bamboozled in a clunky set of emails, and influencers can make it happen. How, you may ask? Personalization. Influencers have a deep, personal relationship with their audience. They've put time and energy into growing their reach organically, and the result of that is a level of personalization that cannot be matched by a giveaway with a celebrity or a contest with a big brand. Think of it this way. Your favorite TikTok videographer is giving away the newest Sony camera and a free editing workshop. Chances are you not only are going to hand over your info for an opportunity to win both product and experience, but there might be a higher chance of you making a purchase later down the road if he sends you a discount code too, right? That's the beauty of an influencer. They are a trusted source whose opinion is validated by their expertise. Affiliate programs are built for those influencers who are creating content that constantly drives business back to your brand. For instance, say you're an athleisure brand promoting your new line of fall clothes. To bolster this promotion, you might give 5 Instagram fitness coaches who wear your gear an affiliate code to provide to their followers to get a 10% off purchase discount. These affiliate programs are built on the premise of having influencers share new products and services for a discounted rate using their name or referral. At its core, these affiliate programs give influencers a stake in the money you make off the content they provide, making it a lucrative relationship for both parties involved. Sounds like a win-win, right? Stay with me here because these can be similar to affiliate programs, but here's the difference. Brand ambassador programs and discount codes don't give the influencer a cut of the sales that come from their content. Now, that doesn't mean we're not paying them. No, we always pay influencers. In these campaigns, an influencer has an ongoing partnership with the brand that is paid in cash upfront, or often a combination of cash and free products. They are then given a case-specific discount code to share with their audience. From there, that code is promoted in the influencer's content on whatever social media platforms you established for that campaign. Followers can then take that code and apply it to a purchase or redeem it for a product. This influencer marketing strategy is usually used when a brand wants to promote a certain product or make a major push on a product they need to sell more of. It proves to be very effective for brands who want to scale discounts across multiple social media platforms. Is your budget limited for this influencer campaign? Fear not, product gifting is a great way to partner with influencers without breaking the bank all the way. Product gifting helps brands connect with an influencer to add value to their lives in exchange for mentions on their channels. It's like when that person at the ice cream shop adds those extra sprinkles and now it's suddenly your favorite spot and you bring all your friends there. Just like you were excited, influencers will be excited to get a free product and you'll still save money in the long run. This type of strategy is especially effective for brands working with nano influencers because they are usually new to the influencer marketing space and have more flexibility when it comes to their price. This influencer marketing strategy is exactly what it sounds like. You let an influencer take over your social media account for a day, a week, a month, whatever you see fit. One thing we highly recommend in this style campaign is to clearly establish the goals and needs, and then let the influencer run with their creative idea. The more you try to pigeonhole them on the creative side, the less authentic the content will become, leaving your campaigns laying lifeless in the great arms of the internet. Allow room for them to explore and create something unique that wouldn't normally appear on your social media, and you'll be shocked at what can happen in a matter of hours. This proves to be an effective strategy for 2 reasons. First, it encourages an influencer's followers to check out your page and content. Second, it increases the chances of gaining a follower on the spot as the user is already on your page instead of the influencers. It's a classic 2 birds, 1 stone scenario if you ask me. There you have it, 6 different influencer marketing strategies you can test out on your audience. Remember, this influencer marketing game takes time, so it might require a few test campaigns to figure out what works best with your fans and followers. But once you get the hang of it and find what works best for you and your followers, get ready to watch those numbers jump to the moon. And by the way, if you're feeling like influencer marketing is the right fit for your brand, but you're not sure where to start, we'd love to help. Tap the button in the description and drop us a line with your needs, and we'll talk ideas. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and enjoy the rest of that Diet Coke.